Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Netstat on CentOS 8. After the installation of CentOS 8, you will wonder why the Netstat command was not found. We will help you to install the necessary packages for getting the Netstat command. Let us see which package provides us with the Netstat command. From this output, you can see that the NetTools package provides you Netstat command. So, install the NetTools package using the yum command. Execute the Netstat command to see whether the command is available on your machine or not. The Netstat command with no extra option will only display the listening sockets. Use the A option with the Netstat to display both listening and non-listening sockets. Use the N option with the Netstat to display the IP address instead of the host name. Use T with AN to display all TCP connections. Use U with AN to display all UDP connections. Use P additionally to any of the above options to display the PID and name of the program to which each connection belongs. Use the NR option with the Netstat command to display route details.